Hello, welcome to back my new video. This is please like and subscribe and bell button. This insert, okay? This insert user form. How to user form do this insert, okay? Develop button, Visual Basic, user form one, add two button, three button, okay? Three button, click one button, sheet one range. Yeah. And insert, okay? Now check this, okay? This 5 insert one year row, okay? Okay, this model. Now go command button 2, copy, paste year, five, okay? This insert how to work. This top insert one, okay? Okay, next, okay? Command button 3, click, copy or insert 2 lane, 3 lane, okay? Is insert 3 lane, okay? Here 3 lane, okay? 3 lane insert, okay? 3 lane, okay? Write this D3, okay? D8, no problem, okay? Insert, okay? Insert 3 lane, okay? 3 lane top, okay? Okay, please like and subscribe button and bell button, okay? Thank you for watching my video.